LRS sets March 31st as deadline for filing individual annual tax returns. The Lagos State Internal Revenue Service says that all taxpayers in the state should file annual tax returns on or before March 31st, 2020 to avoid penalties for insubordination. These individual taxpayers include self-employed persons and employees under the payee scheme in Lagos State, which is mandatory within 90 days of a new year. In a statement signed by Monsurat Amasa, Head Corporate Communications LIRS, the direction is in line with the Personal Income Tax Act, Cap P8 2011 as amended. In accordance with provision of Personal Income Tax Act, Cap P8 2011 as amended, the Lagos State Internal Revenue Service is notifying all individual taxpayers, including self-employed persons and employees under the payee scheme, to file their annual tax returns on or before 31st March 2020. Statement reads: FIRS MultiChoice agreed to resolve tax disputes, withdraw all court cases. The Federal Inland Revenue Service and MultiChoice Nigeria have agreed to an amicable resolution over pending tax disputes. Both parties announced the agreement on Wednesday in Abuja. As part of the agreement, MultiChoice will withdraw all pending lawsuits, and FIRS will conduct a forensic system of the company's accounts. By the broad terms of the agreement, MultiChoice shall withdraw all pending lawsuits towards an amicable resolution of the dispute. Also, as part of the agreement, the FIRS commenced a forensic system audit of MultiChoice account on Tuesday, 8th of March 2020, to determine the tax liability of the company, both parties said in a joint press statement. Leaving VAT on concurrent list worrisome, OPS. The Organized Private Sector OPS has said that the federal and state governments, businesses and consumers will bear the brunt of the new value-added tax regime following last week's rejection by the National Assembly, NAS, to place VAT on exclusive legislative list in the ongoing amendment of the 1999 Constitution. While waiting for the pronouncement of the nation's Supreme Court on the matter, in the case between the federal government and some state governments, the OPS said last week's decision on VAT by both chambers of NAS is of immense implication to all stakeholders, especially the business community. OPS said businesses should expect a new taxing regime of having to pay VAT in each state that they have a presence or are located, and a further rise in the cost of goods and services, leading to skyrocketing inflation rates and further reducing the currently eroded purchasing power.